Finally, a concept that is not so bad. It's called the 5-figure summary of our data. It's going to include the minimum value, the first quartile value, the median value, the third quartile value, and the maximum value. We are going to be using the raw spend from our military rank spend that we found on this Wikipedia page, just to make absolutely sure we're giving credit where credit is due. List of countries on Wikipedia, list of countries with highest military expenditures. Our data is coming from the SIPRI, the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, and they have ranked the 40 countries with the highest military spending worldwide in 23 by raw spend and also by percentage of GDP. We've covered that in the last 2 videos. We're going to deal with the raw spend column. So we've already ranked it from lowest to highest. So Chile spent the least at 5.5 billion US dollars in 2023, while the United States is at the top with 916 billion. Let's create our 5-figure summary. And here I'm going in the min value, I'm going to say equals min, or type equals min. And once again, I'm going to work with that data range raw. And it tells me that the minimum value is 5.5 billion. For the first quartile, there's a couple different ways that I can do this, but I'm going to actually use the quartile function. I'm going to say equals quartile, and then I have to choose, do I want exclusive or inclusive? We've covered that in the last 2 videos, so I'm going to skip that for now. I'm going to go with inclusive. Our data, we're going to work with raw, and it's saying, well, which quartile do you want? And we'll go with the first quartile, and that is $8.4 billion. So at least 25% of the countries in a big data set that looked a heck of a lot like ours would have spent 8.4 billion or less. We get to the median, and we'll say median raw, and that's it, 17.45 billion. Third quartile, we'll say quartile raw 3, third quartile, 48.48 billion. And then max, what was the max? Max raw, 916. Once again, it shows that naming your ranges, like I named my data range raw, is quite a bit more helpful in these cases as opposed to cells D6 to D47, just doing that again and again. You can see what a pill that would be. So make sure you go and check out that video where we talk about naming ranges that dealt with quantiles. So yeah, that's it. That's a 5-figure summary. You just need to set up a little table like this: min, first quartile, median, third quartile, max, and then it's up to you. Do you want to go with an inclusive or an exclusive version for your first quartile and your third quartile? And, that's just the question that you got to answer for yourself. Thank you, and I hope this helped.